Hello beautiful souls, good morning, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. So welcome guys who are new on my channel, and hello to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So guys, I realized you have been asking so many questions regarding best face wash according to your skin issues, and on the basis of your queries I found most of the people are suffering from acne, pimple, dull skin issues. So I have a solution for these kind of issues which I'm going to share with you. But before that, let me show you my skin issues to you so that you guys can relate easily. See guys, I had a gande wale pimple on all over my jawline. Even pura ka pura lower face was full of acne and dryness. I know you are thinking ki it's not that much, but trust me guys, it was. But that time I forgot to click pics and take videos. Guys, it's my recovery phase. You can see the mark of acne, and on the basis of these marks you can realize the intensity. So now the question is what I am doing for this. Friends, I have started using this. It's a Rejuglow skin rejuvenating face wash. I have been using this for so long. I mean 2 years ago I was using this only, but फिर Mamaearth came in the market and I started using Mamaearth's product. But as you know, old is gold, so I had to have switch on this. So right now I'm using this for my these kind of problems. But before saying anything, let me clear one thing. This is recommended by doctor for me. So ऐसे ही मुंह उठा के chemist पे इसको लेने मत चले जाना. Before buy this product, watch this video till end and then decide whether you should buy it or not. So now let's talk about this. So guys, basically it's a glycolic and salicylic acid. Now you must be thinking, what is glycolic and salicylic acid? So guys, glycolic acid is found in most chemical peels that treat skin concern like acne scars, dark patches, melasma and age spots. Guys, when it applied to the skin, it worked to break the bond between the outer layer of skin cells, including dead skin cells, and the next skin cells layer. This creates the peeling effect that can make the skin appear smoother and more even. Now what is salicylic acid? Guys, salicylic acid belongs to the class of drugs known as salicylates. When applied to the skin, salicylic acid may work by helping the skin to shed dead cells from the top layer and by decreasing redness and swelling. So guys, it can help to reduce your swelling if you have any from your face. So although salicylic acid is considered safe overall, it may cause skin irritation when first started. It may also remove too much oil, resulting in dryness and potential irritation. But guys, this is the only impact, or you can say a side effect of this. So because it's temporary, so no need to worry. Starting may you may feel irritated, but later on it will settle down, or it will adjust to your skin. Because it has vitamin E, aloe vera and witch hazel extracts. So all these things can help to improve your overall skin problems, and it suits for all skin type, whether it is dry or normal. So I know आपको समझ में आ गया होगा why you should use this, but still इनका क्या कहना है, एक बार इसे भी देख लेते हैं. So according to it, it rejuvenates the skin by encouraging the shredding of old and dead skin cells and reduce the number of wrinkles. It can improve skin texture and tone and unblocks and cleans the pores. So this is all about its benefits. Now let's talk about its price and how to use this product to get 100% result of it. So yeah, first of all, let me tell you about its cost. So you have to pay rupees 275 for 100 ml, which is quite reasonable. And if we are talking about its how to use this, so guys, there is no rocket science to use this product. You can use it like any other face wash, but there is only one thing. If you want to get rid of your problems as soon as possible, so use it twice a day. So ये आपको बहुत अच्छे results देगा. So don't overuse of it. आपको 2 से ज़्यादा बार भी इसको use नहीं करना है. So 2 times are more than enough. So yeah, this is all about this face wash. Now I think you know you are going to buy it or not. सो अगर आप इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं सो आप आफ्टर यूज़ आपका एक्सपीरियंस मेरे साथ आके ज़रूर शेयर करें। एंड इसका जो इरिटेशन आपको होगा उससे बिल्कुल भी ना डरें, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू ये बिल्कुल टेम्परेरी होता है, उससे आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। गर्ल्स को जैसे आदत होता है ब्लीच के टाइम पे आपको हल्की सी जो इरिटेशन होती है बिल्कुल उतनी सी इरिटेशन आपको होगी। इसको यूज़ करने के बाद आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस यू कैन अप्लाई एलोवेरा ऑन योर फेस, ताकि वो आपको थोड़ा सा सूदिंग इफेक्ट दे। दैट्स ऑल। सो या इसके बाद हम मिलेंगे हमारी किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, औरों को खुश रखिए। बाय बाय।